Hey guys, so this is the Kysiss hair that I did a video on my last video. Make sure you check that out. I just went over how I made my wig, plucking the hairline, curling it, styling, and applying it. And I used a different method where it's no glue, no spray, no gel. And make sure you check that video out. For this video's look, I wanted to do the same wig but a different style. So I went ahead and washed the wig and blow dried it so it would be straight. And then I went over again with a flat iron just to get it as straight as possible. Hey guys, so I want to do a hairstyling video with the Unice hair. I just did a video on curling the hair, or actually making the wig, curling it, applying it, and just showing you guys how I was able to get a pretty good seamless look without having to use like glue or spray or gel. And what I did was I just put combs in the unit. I'm trying to get the unit off my wig head. I pinned it down. So the way I was able to get it like that was I added combs, and in my video I showed you guys, but I added combs and I put them right at the ear tabs. And then what I did was when I put it on my head, I'm able to like kind of pull it to be a little behind my ear, so it can give a nice tight like application in front. And then I have 6 braids, and I make sure I have a braid going this way and this way that's really close to my ear, so that's where I will put the combs in and stuff. So here is the unit. So what I did was I washed it and then I blew dry it. Can't even speak. So I washed it and then I blow dried it. And I blew dry it with a paddle brush to get it as straight as I can, like for blow drying. And then I went with my my flat iron, and then went and straightened the hair. And the hair is a natural deep wave, so when you straighten it, it will still have a little bit of texture, but it'll be nice and thick, which is really nice. So as I said, I braided my hair, put on my wig cap. I didn't wear a wig cap last time, but I just said, I just put one on because my braids, well, my braids actually twist. I actually twisted it all the way down, so. I'm gonna need a mirror. Okay, so one comb here, we're gonna slide that in. Good. And then one comb here, we're gonna slide that in. And then sometimes I have to like take it out and readjust it flat up front. It is cloudy today, so my sun is gonna go up and down, in and out. Okay, so here it is. The sun is horrible. All right, so I have my unit on. It's nice and tight on here. And I put it right at my hairline, so you guys can see. So I'm gonna take my favorite edge tamer at the moment, and this is the Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer. They come in donuts packaging. They're so cute. And this is the blueberry scent. It smells so good. And then I'll take my edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store. It's like a toothbrush end and then a comb end. And I have my scarf here to tie it down as soon as I'm done. Clip my hair away from my face. Okay. I need to do this in the mirror, but you guys still need to see me, so I'm gonna get this together. Just bring out the hairs first. All right, there's one side. Good enough for me. I'm gonna take my scarf and then just put that right on there. That's it for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit, but the hair is so soft that I straightened it. See how fluffy it looks? So it straightened pretty well. It wasn't really that hard. I did like maybe 1 or 2 passes along like small sections. At the end, I just like ran it across at the whole wig again. So yeah, it's nice and soft. Really good. It's like so thick, like thick and soft. Okay, so I'm gonna let this set and I'll be back. That's how it looks. I was gonna like style it. Ah, this sun is so bad. I was gonna style it, like put it like this, like the half up, half down look. But I was like, this looks fine. So yeah, so quick and easy. So if you have this hair, it is easy to straighten. The frontal is actually pretty easy to work with, but as for me, that's not really frontal savvy, I would say. I'm not frontal savvy. Frontals aren't like my favorite thing, but I still try to, like, you know, pick at it and stuff like that, try to get myself to get more used to it. But it's not really that hard to work with for people that are like frontals for dummies like me. But that's it. As I said, the hair is so soft and flowy. So yes, so if you guys like that video, make sure you check out my first video on this Unice Kysiss hair. I did, like, as I said, made the wig and all that stuff like that. I just use edge control. I would say this edge control, like laying the hairs down and having the combs, the edge control will keep this on your head for the day, as it's not going to be like a thing that will last for like days or weeks like the other glue, gel, and freeze spray methods. But this is a good method for someone that doesn't want to do all that. This will last you for the whole day. So yeah, so let me stop playing with this hair. Yeah, this sun is just gonna mess up this video. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.